It already smells so good. We literally just got into the queue line. The water is watering. The smell is smelling. It smells so good. So good.
scurvy scum and bring me Captain Jack Sparrow, or I'll be sending you to Davy Jones.
I am no chicken. I will not talk. The lover aloft. Where be Captain Jack Sparrow and the treasure, you bilge-rat?
Those are aliens, Carlos. No.
your feathers, dearie. Show 'em your flock.
Hey, send them hints to Davy Jones. It's the rum they want. Drink up, me hearties.
Weigh anchor now, you swabbies. What be I offered for these hearty heads? Every one an egglet.
Not less than you, nor this here king either. Fool me, I tell you what, Captain Jack Sparrow, you'll never find the treasure without a look at this here map and this lovely key to the treasure.
Can't you reach any further, you stuck-winged bilge rat? I'm still more quick. Don't scare. Have a nice birthday. It's a good word. Come on. It's us what beats it, brother. You're not them blasted lovers. We've got to build them nice kids.
It is true, I'm a pub, bloody good one. That was bad. Drink up me on show. Rather foolish someone leaving so much gold just lying about, hidden away. Some miscreant might be tempted to steal it back. Marauded, embezzled, and even hijacked. Drink up me hearty show. I do.
We have made it to Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. We are super excited to be here. This is our first time coming to this event. We will be here again later in the week. We did the Mickey's Not So Scary Party in October. We loved it. We loved it. So we are here for the Christmas party. We are going to be reviewing the snacks, going on the rides with the Christmas overlays, checking out the parades, and of course the party exclusive merch. We'll include all of that in the video to keep you guys updated.